Dr. Schweitz is here.
Where?
Ah, here, doctor. Please hurry. I am in agony.
Guten Tag. Wie geht's? All will be well soon.
Did you hurt yourself?
Just the burn. I can set it later.
Please,
First of all, I will need some hot water and towels.
get some hot water, Harry. And lock the door. I don't want to be disturbed.
And lock the door, Harry. He does not wish to be disturbed, you know.
Please, Dr. Harry, I can't stand the pain.
Yes. Now then, let me see.
Ah! Ow!
What?
My eye.
Your eye? I thought it was your tooth.
But it is my tooth.
I wish you would make your mind up. I don't normally make castle calls in the middle of the night, you know. Wait while I... Yes, that's good. So there. Now, open wide this. Now let me see. Tell me when this hurts. Is it that one? Is it that one? Is it that one? There's the naughty one.
Are you going to pull it?
Pull it? Yes, of course I will pull it. Yes.
Please give me something to put me out.
Put you out? Yes, here first you must wear the special anesthetic cotton wool, you know. Wear it over the eyes. On no account look out from under the anesthetic cotton because that ruins the whole effect of the anesthetic on the eyes, you know.
Want me to hold it like that?
Hold it like that on the eyes while I get some more.
Please, doctor. I can't stand the pain.
Yes, coming soon.
What are you doing?
Just rearranging the furniture in order to give you the full effect of the anesthetic.
Please, doctor. I'm in agony.
Not for much longer. That was hell down there.
What's wrong?
Whoever built this house put the stairs in the wrong place.
You mean you fell down the stairs?
I was preoccupied with the anesthetic, you know. It's really hot in here, isn't it? Hot in here. No, the anesthetic. Nitrous oxide.
What's that?
That is the anesthetic, you know.
Oh, good.
Yes, it is good, yes.
Please, doctor. The pain is getting worse. Please, hurry up.
A few whiffs of this, and you won't feel a thing.
All right.
Now breathe deeply. How's that?
It's fine.
How do you feel?
A little dizzy. What's so funny?
I don't know, nothing.
And why are you laughing?
No, why are you laughing?
Because I can't help it.
Yes, good. I'd love it. It's gonna hurt.
Oh, good. Lovely.
I will have to use more lever.
I don't know what you gave me, Doctor, but it's giving me hallucinations. Your whole face has changed.
How's this?
Grotesque!
We just got word, boss. Pluto's still alive.
I knew it! He has pulled the wrong tooth.